Hey guys, promised I would try to get some footage of this GoolRC T6 in the rain since it's supposed to be waterproof. Well, it's raining a little bit, not too much, but you know, it's raining, not too windy, so let's go. Flips are really nice. Flips, like I said, hardly lose any altitude at all, which is really nice. Really nice and tight. And yeah, guys, so like I was saying in my initial video, I know it's raining in a lot of places. So if you just have that need to fly, or if you want to get some practice in, especially if you're just learning to fly 4-channel radios, this would be a great thing. And you know, if it's too cold, too wet to sit outside, I'm sure you could, you know, just get really close to a window. Make sure the transmitter's up above, inside the window. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can just fly this from inside the house. Now, I wouldn't go too far, of course, but you know, if you got enough space like this, and you know, to go say 50 feet, stay within 50 feet, I think you'll be all right. Let me bring it in real quick and show you that it is wet. Just to show you in case you were wondering, it is really raining. I mean, you should be able to see it and hear it anyway. But yeah, just a quick outdoor flight in the rain with the GoolRC T6. Hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.